It's easy for busy people who are just like, there's got to be another way. This strategy helped me and my students get paid. You do not need to advertise to make money. Welcome, I'm Anthony Scott. I run a full-time creative marketing agency by day. When I get freed up, I make these videos to help you make passive income online with a little bit of work, with a system that I didn't even know I was doing until about 14 months when I realized, oh man, I have a duplicatable system that anybody can follow, and it's not sold anywhere else, and it's not taught anywhere else online, on YouTube, like this in any capacity, because you don't need to be a creator to make money online. As a matter of fact, I mean, if you are a creator, you'll just benefit from more money because you'll have an audience to start with. And what's really unique about this, I discovered the zero marketing income formula. Now, if you haven't had a chance to check it out, drop your email at the Course Income Accelerator and I'll fire you over that training video. That video will take you through and behind the scenes into the actual Course Income Accelerator program, where I will go through a deep dive with you and I uncover my CTS system, my content topic system, in which I show beginners how you can take any skill, hobby, passion, actually whatever you want to teach, and how to create a course from point A to point B. You do not need to advertise to make money. So my students love it. I have created a complete asset, something that's easy to follow, duplicatable, and as easy as a couple hours a month. It takes a lot of skill to make money. Most of you have to work a job. For me, during the daytime, I work my creative marketing agency, and then I also make passive income online and a handful of other things that go into my Course Income Accelerator program, which I teach. This is the program where you do not have to do any marketing. So me as a marketer, that was the biggest thing, because I was like, how can I make money if I'm busy, or if I'm a busy mom, busy dad, if I'm just a busy entrepreneur? No matter what it is, I've created a system where a couple hours a month, I mean, at minimum, I would like people to do a couple hours a week and to time block and put a couple hours a week into it. But the zero marketing income formula will take you through and behind the scenes, actually to a lesson that is inside the Course Income Accelerator, because it's so good. I had to include it in the training. I had to break down the marketing, how we're doing it. And I still love the fact that people come to me and they're like, do I have to be a full-time creator to have sales with this strategy? No, you do not. The zero marketing income formula within the Course Income Accelerator is seriously dedicated to the busy beginner, mom, dad, professional who just wants to create, post, set it and forget it, and make money. Now, are there some ways to turn that up a notch and even make more money? Yeah, there absolutely is. And I teach all that within the Course Income Accelerator program. Right now, I am at a founding members price, meaning anybody that jumps in right now, literally for what it's at, it's a steal, because in April, it goes up to $397. So right now, you'll save $300. And in April, the program is still going to eventually go up higher than $397, but I would get involved because it's easy, it's replicatable, it's working for me, my students, and seriously, if I can do this while running a full-time creative agency, you can do this as a busy mom, a busy dad, a busy entrepreneur, a busy college student. And actually, I wish I would have figured this out a couple years earlier, because I might have just went all the way into this full-time, right? Now, I started YouTube originally to answer client questions that I thought was, really helpful, because I'm like, man, if these local businesses are asking this, they're not the only one. So I started by making a bunch of content like that and not really having a direction with the YouTube channel. And then as I started discovering that I had a duplicatable system, all that's taught in the Course Income Accelerator, I was like, whoa, if I can do this, so can anybody else. The program is taught with the beginner in mind, and that will just help you. Because what is really unique about this is how easy it is to get your first course up and started. Within my zero marketing income formula, that's literally no marketing to make sales. Any other business model, you are traditionally going to have to advertise. You're going to have to post on social media or become a content creator. Or if, you're a brick and mortar business, you're going to have to advertise. You might have to do flyers, billboards, TV, radio, who knows? But this system is designed for you to set it, forget it, make money, because the way the system is stacked out, It is so unique. It's not taught anywhere else. I cannot stress this enough, and it makes me so excited because for those of you that come through here and actually do it and stick to the program, I'm going to want your testimonial. Okay. And for those of you who just end up being, come through and then, hey, life happens and you got every excuse, well, thank you. You'll still have access to the Course Income Accelerator. It is a short program, but I would take advantage of getting into the private group. So anybody that buys right now as a founding member will save $300 because in April, the price is definitely going up. It'll eventually go up to $1,000, maybe more, because it's worth its weight in gold. And what I love about it is it's easy for busy people who are just like, there's got to be another way. Go check out the website, drop your email, because the Zero Marketing Income Formula will teach you my CTS system. That's my content topic system. And then it's a complete worksheet that actually I walk you through it and I show you how to pick your first few profitable course topics so you can start making money as quick as this weekend. And if that sounds good, a notification per sale of when you're having a course sale, you'll eventually turn that off because you'll be like, ding, ding, ding. What's going on? Oh, sorry, I'm just making passive income right now. It's fun to get involved with. It's really cool, but I love how much peace of mind it brings, because once you get to a certain level, you can start having predictable sales. It would get to the point where you're going to want to turn off your notification for having a sale because it's going to go cha-ching, 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 and you're just going to be like, okay, I get it. I'm making sales. It works, Anthony. Thanks.